Lee Self-Development TV. 10 Ways to Improve Creative Teaching Using 챗GPT. Hello. Today, we will introduce 10 ways to improve creative and innovative education using 챗GPT for school teachers in Korea and specific examples. Shall we take a look together? 1. Personalized learning. By utilizing 챗GPT, you can provide customized learning programs tailored to students' inclinations and abilities. For example, it is possible to provide different levels of problems depending on the student's ability in math. 2. Provide quick feedback. Using 챗GPT, students can receive feedback immediately after submitting their assignments. This ensures that students do not miss opportunities to receive feedback and revise their assignments. 3. Project-based learning on a variety of topics. You can use 챗GPT to support students to work on projects on various topics. For example, working on a project that deals with environmental issues, students can develop practical problem-solving skills. 4. Creative writing classes. You can use 챗GPT to conduct writing classes that foster students' creativity. Students can develop story ideas and write unique texts with 챗GPT. 5. Question-driven learning. Using 챗GPT, students can ask questions and receive answers. This allows students to develop their curiosity and experience a deeper learning experience. 6. Collaborative learning activities. Using 챗GPT, students can work together to solve problems. For example, students can come up with a logical solution with 챗GPT and get help implementing it based on that solution. 7. Fictional history lesson. Using 챗GPT, you can create a hypothetical scenario for students to experience historical events firsthand. For example, students can enhance their understanding of historical events and decisions through the experience of being a king during the Joseon dynasty. 8. Learn different languages. 챗GPT supports various languages. You can use it to help teach students English or another foreign language. Students can talk to 챗GPT and practice their language in real time. 9. Virtual mentoring. Using 챗GPT, students can proceed with their learning with a virtual mentor. 챗GPT provides immediate answers to students' questions so that students can get the help they need at any time. 10. Self-directed learning. You can use 챗GPT to help students set and manage their own learning goals and courses. This is important for students to feel responsible for their own learning and develop self-directed learning habits. As such, 챗GPT can help improve the quality of education in a variety of ways. It is exciting to watch students create their own learning experiences with new learning tools. We hope that students will experience more creative and innovative learning through this opportunity. Thanks for watching.